Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when you take a screenshot, like when you use snipping tool and when you take a screenshot, it's going to OneNote. In my case, if I go to OneNote, here you can see that screenshot is here. It's going to OneNote. Now if you want to fix it, first of all, you can type in snipping tool in Windows search box and then open snipping tool and then click on these three dots, go to settings and check if the screenshots are being saved to OneNote or any other place. It has to be screenshot folder. Now you can click on change over here and then you can go to pictures and then you can select screenshot over here and then select folder, and then you can take a screenshot and then check. Now still, even if it is set to screenshot, still it's going to OneNote. Then you can follow the steps. Now you can close the snipping tool and then typing snipping tool in Windows search box, make a right click on the snipping tool and then go to app settings, and over here scroll down, or you can go to Windows settings, go to apps and then go to installed apps and then find snipping tool and then scroll down. First of all, click on terminate and then click on reset option over here. Click on reset. Now once the reset is complete, now you can take a screenshot. Now let me take the screenshot, and this time you can go to screenshot folder, pictures, screenshot, and here you can see the screenshot which I took now. So this is how you can fix the issue. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.